Question number 1. Which of the following limits does not exist? Answer choice A, we have limit as x approaches negative 2. So let's look at this graph. As x approaches negative 2 from left hand side, it approaches 1, right? This value is 1. From right hand side, it also approaches 1, right? So answer choice A is equal to 1. Answer choice B, limit as x approaches negative 1, right? So as x approaches negative 1 from left hand side, it approaches 0, right? From right hand side, it approaches 3. This is a 3, right? So the left hand limit and right hand limit, they are different. In this case, this limit doesn't exist, right? So limit does not exist. So the answer is B. Let's look at answer choice C. As x approaches 0, right? So let's look at left hand limit first. As x approaches 0 from left hand side, it approaches 2, right? From right hand side, it also approaches 2, right? So limit value is 2. The answer choice D. As x approaches 1, we always have to look at left hand limit and right hand limit. So left hand limit, as x approaches 1 from left hand side, it approaches 3, right? Right hand side, it also approaches 3, right? So the limit value is 3.